Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play multiplayer on Call of Duty World War Roman II. Start by connecting your console or PC to the internet and signing into your account, then launch the game. Check for updates and install any patches so multiplayer features unlock. Confirm your NAT type is open for best matchmaking, and restart your router if you see lag. Keep your headset handy for squad communication. Pick a multiplayer mode that fits your style and use matchmaking filters to find the right matches quickly. Try Team Deathmatch for fast action, Domination for objective play, or Search and Destroy for tactical rounds. Adjust region and skill settings to lower ping and face appropriate opponents. Experiment in casual playlists to learn maps and weapons, then move to competitive lobbies when you feel confident and coordinate. Form a party with friends before queuing so you match into games together and coordinate strategy. Use voice chat for real-time calls like flanking or falling back, and rely on quick chat when voice is unavailable. Designate roles, such as medic or support, to cover objectives and revive teammates. Keep instructions clear and concise, and use pings or squad markers to highlight enemies and objectives for faster team responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.